Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on CKB. In my earlier video that I've been showing you that the price of CKB broke out a very big and long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, then this was the channel that I've been showing in my so many previous videos. And I was telling you that after the breakout from this channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents, and you can see that the price has already reached that target. And this was a very massive rally, by the way, from this low to here. It was almost more than 1691%, almost 1700% pump. The pricing got rejected by this very long-term resistance zone that starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here, and again worked as a very, very strong resistance. And now recently the pricing has formed another falling wedge pattern. By the way, during this rally, we broke out this wedge and also broke out this up channel as well. And if I extend this support of the channel, then you can see that the price line is also testing this previous support of the channel once again. At the same time, it is also dropped down at this downtrend and support as well that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it is flipped into a support and also breaking as support for this next falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 22nd of January 2025 in the members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this support of the wedge was previously breaking other resistance. We got few rejections here. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We got rejection here by the resistance of the wedge. Then we had a bounce from the support, rejection, rejection. And now recently the price is once again bounced from the support of the channel. At the same time, it is also bounced from this uptrend and support as well. That was in fact working as a support for this previous up channel that we have been following back in the month of January 2024 as well. And still, that channel support is working as a support for the price line. And at the same time, the price line is also geared up after testing this long-term support of 0.0053 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. Despite these long spikes, you can see that the price line could not break it out. And before that, it was almost working as support here as well. And now, again, it worked as a very, very nice support and the pricing is geared up. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the pricing is still moving between this resistance of $0.00785 and this support of $0.00535 as well. If we take a look at the next resistance of $0.00785, and you can see that this resistance had been recently working as a support here and before that, it was also breaking at this support here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can very get a strong resistance for the price line of CKB. And if the price line hits the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, then it can hit the resistance of the wedge somewhere here, approximately at 1.2 cents. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the wedge, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be again approximately at 3.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.